New testnet's name leak in the end of this video. You have no idea how to get free ETH for your development needs? Are you tired of not having enough ETH? Do you have broken faucets? You will find all the answers now. Sepolia is the best testnet right now. You just create account on Alchemy once, and you can have fun with never-ending ETH once per 24 hours. Visit this website. Once you have ETH, you can do whatever development stuff you want. But how to use it? Why bother if you can't use your free money? Let's use our powerful Ether we just acquired through Faucet and create some smart contract. For this, we have powerful tools like OpenZeppelin Wizard with ready NFT contracts which we want to use right now, and with it, we can connect our MetaMask with our address that we use to get Faucet Ether. See that we have that amount of Ether right now in our wallet. Now we deploy our smart contract. After deployment, you can see that we have less Ether than before. It definitely works. Now, let us show you that it also is useful for testing your Solidity functions. Let's mint some NFTs. Money is gone, but functions work. Postscriptum, we got hot news for you. Sepolia testnet will be supported until 2026, but there will be new testnet called Holesky, which will begin his reign this year, and it is a huge game changer in comparison to Sepolia. If you want to be updated about it, follow our channel. Thanks.